you ready to unlock the secrets of secure communication in a terminal like a hacker? In this video, we'll show you how two systems chat securely in a terminal using CryptCat. First things first, let's demystify CryptCat. Discover what makes this tool a favorite among cybersecurity professionals and how it can revolutionize your secure chatting experience. We'll show you how to set up CryptCat for encrypted communication in your terminal. We'll guide you through the installation process and provide tips on configuring this powerful tool for maximum security. CryptCat is a standard Netcat enhanced tool with two-way encryption. It's the simplest Unix utility tool which reads and writes data across network connections. CryptCat can be used to establish communication channels between systems including Linux, Microsoft Windows, and BSD. It can use TCP or UDP protocol while encrypting the data that is transmitted over the network. CryptCat is considered to be a network debugging and exploration tool. It can be used for both security and hacking purposes. Encryption ensures a confidential communication over the network. CryptCat uses the two-fish encryption algorithm, which is a symmetric key block cipher. That means two sides of communication must share secret keys. Now it's time for practice. In the terminal, run the command CryptCat -- version. If it's not installed in your machine, run sudo apt install CryptCat. You can run CryptCat -h to see how to use the tool. For chatting, we need to establish a stable communication channel. One system should be a server or listener. In a server side, in a terminal, CryptCat -l, put the server in a listening mode, -p and specify the port number it will listen in, -v stand for verbose to get more information in a chat, and -key to specify the secret key used for encryption. If you don't specify a shared secret key, it will be encrypted by the default key, which is Metallica. Now, my server is in listening mode to receive the connection and it is running on AWS. My client is a Kali Linux machine on VirtualBox. In a client, we should specify the server IP address, port number, and a shared secret key to start chatting. In a command line, CryptCat, the IP address of my server, and then the port number the server is listening to, and then -key and provide the secret key. We can use -v for verbose to get more information in a client side as well. These two systems are chatting securely. Let's check the confidentiality of this communication. In a client machine, start Wireshark, capturing the traffic, and now click on the packet sense from the server by looking at the IP address of the server. Click on the data field and we see the data is encrypted. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below.